How to maintain good health and highlighting common causes of ill health? Hello, viewer. Today, let's dive into the world of health and well-being. We'll explore effective ways to maintain good health and shed light on common causes contributing to ill health. 1. Importance of healthy lifestyle. Maintaining good health begins with a balanced lifestyle. Prioritize nutritious food, regular exercise, and adequate sleep for a strong foundation of well-being. For example, incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet to ensure a well-rounded intake of essential nutrients. Example, engage in physical activities like walking, yoga, or sports to boost cardiovascular health and improve overall fitness levels. 2. Stress management and mental health. Effective stress management is crucial. Practice relaxation techniques, mindfulness, or hobbies to alleviate stress and prioritize mental health. Example, implement breathing exercises or meditation sessions to relax and reduce stress levels, promoting a calm state of mind. Example, pursue activities like painting, reading, or gardening that brings joy and serve as a healthy distraction from daily stressor. 3. Hygiene and disease prevention. Maintaining proper hygiene is essential to prevent diseases. Regular hand washing, cleanliness, and vaccinations play a significant role in disease prevention. Example, wash hands thoroughly before meals and after using the restroom to prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of infections. Example, stay updated on vaccinations recommended by healthcare professionals to safeguard against various illnesses and diseases. 4. Common sins of ill health. Now, let's shed light on common habits that can negatively impact health. Example, sedentary lifestyles characterized by prolonged sitting or lack of physical activity contribute to obesity, cardiovascular issues, and other health complications. Example, poor dietary choices such as excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary beverages, and high-fat meals can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and heart problems. Conclusion: maintaining good health is a continuous journey that involves embracing healthy habits and avoiding detrimental practices. By prioritizing wellness, we pave the way for a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching.